Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the size of a picture on Canva or how to resize a photo on Canva. For example, you can see this photo right here. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the photo that you would like to resize. Then in the top left hand corner, you're going to see the option Resize. And to use this option, you will need to be on the Pro plan. But from here, you could simply enter a custom height and width that you want to use, or you could select one of the template sizes right here. All you have to do is simply tap on the template size that you would like to use. Then from here, you could simply tap on Resize. As you can see right there, it is now resized. Just give it a few seconds. So now if I should scroll down, you will see that that pic is now resized. Let me scroll down real quick. Delete this, and you can see right there, that's it. Now the other option that I would recommend you do is also, if you don't have the paid plan, you can go in the top right hand corner, tap on share. And after you have tapped on share, you are going to tap on download. And when you are downloading it, you will see this option size, and you can simply pull the slider across to change the size. Then you'll tap on download, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.